How to delete my DoorDash Dasher account. I'm going to tell you how to delete your DoorDash Dasher account if you're done delivering. First, you can't fully delete your Dasher account directly from the app. What you need to do is submit a request to DoorDash support. Go to DoorDash Help Center online, choose Account Settings, and select I want to delete my Dasher account. You'll be asked to log in and fill out a quick form confirming that you want to deactivate. Once submitted, they'll review it and usually email you once it's done. But here's the thing, before they can delete your account, make sure all deliveries are completed and there are no earnings left to transfer. If you have an active FastPay account or open balance, you'll need to cash that out first. Also, if you plan to stop dashing temporarily, you can just pause or stop scheduling hours. You don't need to delete your account. But if you really want it gone, the support form is the only way.